In this video we're going to learn how to do some cool leaves. So of course with leaves we want to use a green one stroke, and it works best if you pick a green one stroke that goes from a lighter colour to a darker green. So we've already learned how to do this leaf by doing our pointed petals. But so basically we're going to be creating the same shape but then adding that wobble to it, the same that we kind of did with the hibiscus flower. And then you have a cool little wobbly leaf. You can practice this a few times so you get super comfortable with it. Once you're really comfortable with creating these leaves, you can do them super quick, and you can kind of lay them next to each other to create a nice little bundle of leaves, or you can actually place them next to each other to create a larger leaf. For a cute little leafy design, I first start out with one leaf going to one direction. Then leave a little space and create another leaf going into the opposite direction. Then you can add a couple of little leaves just in between those two big leaves. Then what you can do is you can add a cool little flower into the center of those leaves. So this might be a bit tricky if you haven't done face painting before, but if you have, you can create a cool little double dipped flower and add it into the middle. Now I'm just using a little bit of neon pink, and I'm creating the little center of that flower and adding some little dots around it. Now it's time to add your outlines. So for here I'm using a number 2 round brush and some black face paint. And I'm just going to outline my leaves. Once you finish outlining, it's time to add any extra details that you want. So you can add some dots or some stars or some swirls, whatever you like. And once you've finished adding all of your highlights and details, your little leaf design is all finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little one-stroke workshop, and remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can see any of our new uploaded ones. Of course, all of these tools, products and one-strokes are available on our website, which is www.bodyfxshop.com.